Hi there, this is Sojib Rahman and welcome to English with Sojib. Today's my presentation topic is Describe a businessman I admire. The person I chosen to talk about is Lelin, who is my school friend, and I selected him because I know that he is a successful entrepreneur and also showed to people how to succeed in business. This person I was first meet with this person when we are reading in school. After I haven't meet with him in Donkey's years, I wish I would meet with him in the next upcoming month in Chittagong, because I know that he already developed a business in Chittagong. The first reason, I think that he is a very creative businessman with vivid imagination. He could think out of the box. Example that he started a business, a mobile phone selling business in his local area in Dinajpur. Back in 2022, other businessmen think that to doing another kind of business like medicine, bookshop, general store, etc. But at that moment, he chose to buying a mobile phone, and finally he become only one of the mobile shop owner at this area. After his successful story, I also amazed to hear that he is a great qualities of leadership. Like when he work with his worker, he always motivated to them work with more qualities and more harder, and also he showed to his employee has kindness and also has sense of responsibility. And another after his successful mobile shop business story, he also realized that many people go to from one city to another city for buying a motorcycle. At that moment, he realized that people have financially ability has increased, and at that moment he took a decision to start a new motorcycle buying shop. So after his successful this venture, he also moved another business in export industry, and as soon as he also succeeded in this new venture also, I heard that he also I heard that he also earned great deal with his new venture also. So that's all for the today time being, dear guys. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and please join with our Facebook group and like our Facebook page. Thank you.